Since I'm recording video, I want to show you one more thing, how to, now that we did our EPANET, how to accurately model this pipeline in the PDT. So basically, the first step is just to make all the piping in the PDT be exactly the same in EPANET. So you see we have 3 meters of 44 millimeter pipe in the PDT. That needs to be there in EPANET. In EPANET, you have a diameter of 82 here, and I think that should be 44 to be consistent. And then the loss coefficient should be the same as well. So total loss coefficient is 2.4 in those two pipes. I'm going to put that in EPANET, 2.4. Another thing, okay, that's good. We need a loss coefficient of 2.4 there. So 2.4. Now we get to the treatment model that I've just showed you. And let's go here. Call this treatment piping. And we did 6 meters, 44 inside diameter, and a loss coefficient of 6. So, and then we did a water meter. So I'm going to add that as pipe 5. I'm going to move this down. It won't let me do it like that. I'll just copy it down by hand. 10, 82, 120, 2.4. And then I'll clear this section and call this water meter. Water meter, I just do a length of 0.5. They seem to be about 0.5 meters long, usually. We chose a 1.5 inch. That should have an inner diameter of about 40 millimeters. Maybe 38 is good. Roughness coefficient of 120 because it's metal on the inside. And then the minor loss, just set it to whatever will make it equal to EPANET. So EPANET, the loss going through this water meter is 0.95. And so we'll make it approximately that much as well. So if I say 10, I get 1.14 total. That's a little too high. If I say 8, that's about right. This adds up to 0.92. About 1 meter is fine. If you wanted to be a little conservative there, make it a little bit greater, that's fine with me too, because you might be using a locally procured water meter. So now our treatment system is much more accurate. I think the only difference, this number is actually slightly lower than what we have in EPANET, the head loss, and that's because the flow rate is slightly greater in EPANET than in your PDT. So I think this is accurate, this is good, and this is how you can accurately match your PDT with your EPANET.